guys, welcome back. We're going to be doing our second video of Crocktober. We're going to be starting off with another Bible verse. God fills the hungry with good things, and that good thing today is 2 sauce chicken. It's football Sunday, so you might hear some football in the back. We're going to be starting with turning our crock pot on high. Wait, is that low or high? We're going to start with a full thing of marinara. This is what we're using today. It got on my hand. And a jar and a half of Alfredo sauce. And some Italian seasoning. Some onion powder. My voice is shaky there. Some black pepper. And garlic powder. Salt. And mix it up. And we're gonna lay our chicken breast over the sauce. Cover it up with some sauce. Let that chicken cook for 3 to 4 hours. At the 3.5 hour mark, boil your water for your pasta. We're gonna be using tortellini, but you can use whatever you want. Okay, it's been about 4 hours. Now we're gonna shred our chicken. These are my shredding forks. It's time to start the pasta of your choice. Now, it's time to put your pasta in. Pour in a bag of mozzarella. Stir it. This looks too delicious. So now we're gonna make ourselves a bowl. Remember, this series is all about quick and easy, but if you use your homemade ingredients, it'll be that much better. Time to try. Perfect.